Imagine living in a neighborhood where space and distance is your neighbor, where you can maneuver and park your toy hauler or RV with ease. Now, this isn't a traditional Las Vegas neighborhood. This is an oasis in the desert with custom estate homes on half-acre lots or more and no homeowners association. This completely renovated single-story home features 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, 3-car garage, and it's nestled on a corner lot. This generous floor plan is adorned by these beautiful sliding glass doors, which seamlessly connects the indoor to the outdoor living space. The grandeur of the inside space matches the greatness of the outdoor space. One of my favorite features, this beach entry pool. Love the water feature as well. If you are seeking space, this finished lot is move-in ready. But if not, then you can build your covered RV garage, your workshop, your she shed, your man cave, or a pickleball court. We are conveniently located to everything our vibrant city has to offer. We are 6 miles from the Las Vegas Strip and downtown Summerlin. We are 9 miles from downtown, and we are 12 miles from Harry Reid International Airport. And we are within close proximity to your daily shopping needs, such as Target, Sprouts, and all shopping necessities. This home is offered at slightly under $1 million and has the best location. If you'd like more details, contact me today.